Hello student, I am Sandeep Singh, your assistant teacher. Student, you all know that we are continue the exercise of chapter 4, the Northern Mountain. In this section, we have already taught that the true-false statement and the exploring new word, which is the given in the lesson. Okay, in this series we will study the next question. Choose the correct answer. Okay, in this section there are some questions are given in your books and you have to choose the correct option which are given, okay, below the question. So let's start now. Student, first we look at the first question is the word Himalaya means. Student, you have to tell the word Himalaya means. What is the meaning of Himalayas? Okay? What is the meaning of Himalayas? The options are given here. Abode of peace, abode of snow, abode of silence, and a mountain. Okay? So, what is the correct answer of this question? Think about it and give me answer. Okay? The right answer is abode of snow. It means abode means, what is abode means? Abode means house. Which of these house? That is snow. House of snow is called Himalaya. Okay? In Sanskrit word Himalaya also, Him means snow and Alaya means house. That means which house of snow, house of Himalayas. Okay? Now next question is, we will start the next question now. The mountain range that lies of the northern Himalayas is, once again, the mountain range that lies more north of the Himalayas is. Which mountain range that lies towards the northern of the Himalayas? The options are given here. Karakoram, Aravali, Shivalik, and Purvanchal. You have to give the answer now. Which of the mountain range lies to the northern of Himalaya? So the right answer is Karakoram range. What is the right answer is Karakoram range. Okay? Student, if you look the map of India and location of Himalaya, then Himalaya is bordered with Karakoram range, and then the three ranges of Himalayas lies after the Karakoram range. Okay? Karakoram range, which is the border by the India and China. Okay? Next question is the river that originates in Himalayas. Which river of these is originate from Himalayas? The options are given here. Godavari, Kaveri, Narmada, and Yamuna. Which of these rivers originated from Himalayas? Okay, so give the answer now. The right answer is Yamuna. Okay, Yamuna is originated from Himalaya from Yamunotri glacier. Which glacier? Yamunotri Glacier, which is lies in Uttarakhand, okay, in Himalayan region, okay. Beside the Yamuna, all the rivers are flow into southern of India, okay. Godavari, Kaveri and Narmada are southern rivers, okay. Next question is, the Kaziranga National Park lies in the state of, where is Kaziranga National Park lies, okay. You have to tell me that the Kaziranga National Park lies in the state of, the options are given here: Assam, Sikkim, West Bengal, Arunachal Pradesh. Which of these is the right answer? Okay, the right answer is Assam. Okay, the right answer is the Assam. Kaziranga National Park lies in the state of Assam. Kaziranga National Park famous for rhinoceros, one-horned rhinoceros. Okay. Next question is, saffron is a special crop grown in. Saffron is a special crops that are grown in the states of, the options are given here: Tripura, Kashmir, West Bengal and Himachal Pradesh. Okay, the right option is Kashmir. Okay, where is saffron grown extensively? The Kashmir. In Kashmir, the saffron is extensively grown. Okay. Now next section is, answer the following question. Answer the following question. In this section, you have to write some answer of the given question. The first question is, name the three ranges of Himalayas. What are the three ranges of Himalayas? Okay, so answer is, there are three ranges of Himalayas. What are that is? First is the Himadri range. Okay. Himadri range, also called the Greater Himalaya or the Greater Himalaya. Okay, Himadri range is also called Greater Himalaya or Outer Himalaya. Okay, next is, the next range of the Himalaya is the Himachal range. Himachal range, its parts of the, most parts of the Himachal range lies in the Himachal, so its name before the Himachal, okay, Himachal range, okay. It is also called the Middle Himalaya. The Himalayas. Okay. Himachal range also called middle Himalaya, and next part of the Himalaya is the third part of the Himalaya. Third range of the Himalaya is the Shivalik. Shivalik are the other name of the Shivalik range is called also Lower Himalaya. Okay, Lower Himalayas. So there are three ranges of Himalayas. That's are the Himadri range are Greater Himalayas. The Himachal range are the Middle Himalayas, and the Shivalik range are the Lower Himalayas. Okay. Now next question is, name the source glacier of Ganga. Second question is, name the source glacier of Ganga. In other words, we have also say that name the origination source of the river Ganga, or what is the main source of river Ganga, source glacier of river Ganga. Okay, so there are many questions raised up here, and you have to answer only one in one word, that is Gangotri glacier. Okay, Gangotri glacier is source of river Ganga. In other words, we have also write that the Ganga is originates from Gangotri glacier. Okay. So the answer is, the Ganga is originated from Gangotri glacier. Now next question is, what is Tarai? What is Tarai? Okay, the answer is the foothill of Shivalik. The foothill of Shivalik, that's low and marshy land is called Tarai. Okay, the foothill of the Shivalik range, it is also marshy land, that is called Tarai. The next question is, name the hill stations located in the Himalayan region. Okay, or in other words, we have also say that what are the main hill stations found in Himalayan region. So answer is Shimla, Kullu, Manali, Nainital, Mussoorie, Darjeeling are the some famous hill stations located in the Himalayan region. Next question is what is the terrace forming? What is terrace forming? The answer is a type of forming practice in hilly areas, okay, where the hillside is cut into steps, okay. Terrace forming is a type of forming that in hilly areas that hills are cut into steps like stair, okay, where crops are grown. That is called terrace forming, okay. In this section, so student, this is your exercise and you have to write your exercise in classwork copy and homework copy, okay. Thank you, goodbye.